armbar, elbows, again. This is a grueling fight. Oh, man. Oh, he's got it! He's got it! And he's gonna break that arm. He's got 5 seconds. Oh, he's on!
April 21, 2023 nang dumayo at napalaban ang ating kababayan, ang MMA fighter na si RJ Ortega na ginanap sa Bali, Indonesia, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang maangas at tambog na Iranian fighter na si Ariana Nabay. Ang Iranian fighter na ito ay sikat sa kanilang bansa na may 1.1 million followers sa kanyang Instagram, na kung saan pinapakita nito ang kanyang mga tattoo sa katawan at mga ginagawang training nito, at ang ilan nga rito ang shadow boxing sa ilalim ng tubig, pagbabad nito sa napakalamig na yelo, pagpapasipa sa katawan at mga pampalakas ng katawan. Samantala may MMA record si Ariana Nabay na 5 wins, 1 loss, na kung saan 5 sunod-sunod ang naipanalo nito. Kaya naman ganun na lang ito kaangas at kahambog na makaharap nito ang mas maliit na Pinoy kontra sa bato-bato at maskulado nitong katawan. Pagdating sa laban ay nagawa pa nitong mandaya nang kumapit ito sa lubid para lang di ma-takedown ng Pinoy, at pagkagat nito sa balikat ng Pinoy habang naka-arm triangle ito sa kanya. Panoorin hanggang dulo kung paano ginulpi at pinarusahan ng Pinoy ang maangas at tambog na Iranian fighter. Sa pagpakilala sa kanya ay lumapit pa talaga ito at idinigat pa nito ang muka sa ring announcer sabay pakita ng angas nito.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Iranian warrior, Ariana Nabay!
Sa pagsimula ng round 1 ay naging agresibo kaagad ang Iranian fighter. Sinugod at hinuli kaagad nito ang Pinoy.
The blue trunks is the Iranian warrior immediately going to work, and the referee's going to get a workout. Hang on. He's got it deep. He's got it deep, but if...
Ngunit nagawang makatayo ng Pinoy at natanggal nito ang pagkalak ng kamay sa leeg nito.
The standing guillotine. He's in an uncomfortable position. Now he's out of it. He's out of it.
Muling nahuli ng Iranian ang Pinoy.
Can he... Watch out, watch out. A slip, and that puts him in a worse position now. Oh, big elbow.
Okay.
We haven't seen a lot of knees from this position as well.
We were going to see it right there. It looks like this is going to be pretty another one of these chokes.
The fight starting off very quickly, but this is where it gets interesting now. Did he put in a lot of... Is he using a lot of energy to defend that takedown? Has he used up his arms? No, yet. Time will tell.
Time will tell, and we've got a lot of time left.
We got a lot of time left in this 3-round affair. Our main event of the evening. Big shots. He's got a referee admonishing him for shots to the back of the head. But look at this, RJ Ortega. It's the strength differential between these two men. Big shots here. Nothing landing clean. Ortega seems fine. But see, this is what I was talking about. Deep breaths.
Here he goes.
Deep breaths from Ariana Nabay. He needs to finish this fight soon. Big hammer fist. But RJ Ortega...
Sa pagkakataong ito, muling nakatayo ang Pinoy. Ngunit tinamaan ito ng right hook ng Iranian fighter. Kaya muli itong nahuli at tinekdown at na-arm lock ang Pinoy.
Oh! Big right hand! Huge straight! He's rocked hard! Is he gonna slam him? Is he gonna slam him? Oh! He can look to knee. He can look submission here. Could we see the first ever rear naked choke on the Filipinos tonight?
I don't think so. Them Philippines are really
strong. Hang on. We can't get a clear look here. The referee checking up on him. Nope, he doesn't quite have it yet. And look at this, RJ trying to turn him into him. He's almost got it. Oh, but just the leverage. The leverage. Oh, he looked.
Okay, so there's play. It looks like he's
Sa tangkang pagtayo ng Pinoy ay na-outbalance ito. Kaya hinabol ng sipa ng Iranian. Ngunit sumabit ang paa nito kaya natumba. At dito nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na makakapit ang Pinoy at nagawang buhatin at i-takedown ang Iranian.
Boom! Straight to the mat, and you can see the fans.
Take some rest because they've been using a lot of power.
A lot of power. Straight into mount now. 10 seconds to go, but in mount position. And RJ, though, proved he could weather the storm.
Showing them why they are the fight of the night. They definitely have...
At dito ang paghihiganti ng Pinoy at sinubukan itong baliin ang braso ng Iranian. Ngunit nasib by the bell ito.
Armbar! Is he going to have the time? Does he have the time? Does he? Oh, he's got it! He's got it! He's got it! He's got it! He's got the armbar! He's got it! Is he tapping? No, he's not. Look at the toughness. Oh, he's got it! He's got it! He's got it! 10 seconds! Can he hold on? Can he hold on? He's going to break that arm! He's going to break that arm! No, he's going to break that arm!
He's got 5 seconds.
Oh, he's saved by the bell!
Sa round 2 ay nahuli ng Pinoy ang Iranian at tinigdown nito, ngunit kumapit ito sa lubid. Hindi naman agad napansin ang referee.
Oh, calf kick! Big calf kick! And again, oh, take down. Wait. No, he's holding the ropes. That's not right. He's holding the ropes. That's illegal. I would call that a point deduction.
I sure it was a little bit longer than wasn't needed.
No, it was a lot longer. That's okay, but you know what? Hey, hang on. That's illegal. That's an illegal move. This is a bad spot for Ariana. Mount. And here we go. He needs to buck his hips, get out of there. But RJ is targeting that arm.
He sure is.
He's going to look for that armbar again. And the worst of this is Ariana is going to have to carry his weight. Big shots from RJ. RJ's got a lot of time.
Have to take him.
He's got a lot of time. He can wait and take his time. He
That's
doesn't need to
right.
be reckless. There you go. He senses the arm.
Matapos na bayo ng suntok ng Pinoy ang mukha ng Iranian, ay in-arm triangle niya ito. Ngunit kinagat ng Iranian ang balikat ng Pinoy, kaya nag-complain ito sa referee.
That's right. It's 1-2 hook to the ear. Now look at this. But this one,
He's grapevine himself. Now he's complaining of.
Kaya naman binawasan ng 2 puntos ng referee ang Iranian fighter.
He's deducted 2 points.
That's
2
right.
points.
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay binayo na ito ng suntok at siko ng Pinoy at di na hinayaan makatayo ang Iranian.
There we go. Bang, bang, boom. Pound and pound and ground and pound. He wants his retribution. He's getting his retribution. He knows he's got him hurt.
yeah, but none of those shots really landed out there, unfortunately.
Oh, but when you're exhausted in that position, though, there's not much you can do but cover up. And he's trying to fight back. But it's just, RJ is just being brutal in that position, though. Man, oh man. Aryan Nabi has a long time. There have been a lot of breaks in this round. Armbar, he's looking for that again. Elbow, big elbow. He's isolated the arm. Oh, we might see an end here. We might see a finish here, my friend. Big shots.
Big shots, big elbows coming down.
Big elbows. You know, it looks like he's blocking a lot of those, but believe me,
And
those
there's some
hurt.
tape going off. There's some tape on his glove coming off. He's going to have to control. He's going to have to do something with that tape there.
Oh, man. I think we're close to the end here. Oh, elbow. Man. RJ is getting tired of hitting him.
And he's also leaving open his midsection.
His midsection's open. You can land elbows to the midsection.
Right to the sternum.
But RJ wants to get him out of there as soon as he can because this is a grueling fight. Oh, man.
Right back, big ground and pound.
Ground and pound over and over. The Iranian warrior in a lot of trouble here. RJ, though, taking his time. He knows there's a third round. There's a third round coming out.
The ref will stand them
Oh,
up.
come on. A beautiful elbow again and again. And he's looking for that arm. Watch that arm. RJ's got a lot of time to work here.
There it is.
Another elbow. Oh, big shot. I mean, stop the fight. This is it. He's not defending himself effortlessly. He's looking for the armbar. But he's exhausted as well.
He's exhausted, but he's still listening
Oh,
to
can
his corner.
elbow.
He is listening to his corner.
He's listening to his corner, but how much does the Iranian warrior have in the tank? I reckon there's not much left there.
Section is open RJ needs to go for that midsection.
Hang on, he's looking for a key lock here. If he can put his left wrist underneath and grab a hold of his forearm, he could get an American Kimura or straight armbar. Elbows again.
Those are no landing.
10 seconds out in what seems to be the longest round in this entire 10 fight night.
Great ground and pound.
Oh man, great ground and pound.
Sa round 3 ay sinubukan muli ng Pinoy na i-takedown ang Iranian fighter.
And takedown. And he gets the takedown. I fear that he won't mark. I fear his opponent doesn't have enough to get.
He's showing the heart by just continually going.
No, I mean it's now it's getting academic, because if you can't defend yourself after a point, you're just going to eat shots.
Yes.
And now it's not this is a replay of the last round. The last round was a 10-7.
And now is this the last round? I think this round.
Ayon sa commentator, dapat inihinto na ng referee ang laban dahil wala nang kakayanan na depensa ng Iranian ang sarili nito.
I mean, he got 2 points deducted. That's it. Stop the fight. There's no point.
No, he's still defending it.
No, he's not. Bob, I'm sorry, I don't mean to argue, but it's just at a point where he can't defend himself. If he can't get off the mat, if he can't answer the call on his own, it's not really defending yourself intelligently anymore.
That's more, I think, towards exhaustion, though. Do you think it's more
Yes,
exhaustion or more?
no,
is it
absolutely.
towards
He's
damage?
gassed, but I'm sure some of those shots are playing a part of it, because he would not. I don't think he'll be able to defend himself.
Well,
And
he's just working on the ground and pound game now. I think he's just taking him home.
no, I mean sometimes with his long limbs you can't get through.
Yes. And
And
right now next to the ropes.
This referee is just letting it go on. I would say
Stand him up.
stand him up or stop the fight, because that's enough, because he's not advancing. He's not able to defend himself intelligently as such. He's defending himself, yes, but the longer this goes on, the worse it is for
That's
him.
right.
I don't know what it's going to take for this fight to end.
Well, we've got only the time. We've only got a few
Now,
more.
come on. From here, I would just, again, elbow, beautiful elbow.
Stand him up.
It's a very difficult call to stand somebody up from the eye poke from the bottom.
Well, he's paying for it.
Oh, he's paying for it all right. He's looking for that arm. He's got that arm. Kimura again. Kimura attempt. He's got to defend it. He's got to move out of here. And the referee has given him enough. There's a head and arm choke there as well.
There's the audience.
Oh, he's looking for it. Head and arm choke. Oh, big shots. And if he can't make it to the center.
This looks like we've got 10 seconds left, so this will not be a submission tonight or
It's
KO.
gonna be
It will go
finished.
to
the decision.
a decision, but a unanimous one.
A unanimous, lopsided one. Lopsided decision.
Egg.
It's. I would call this 30-26. 10 seconds to go. Big elbow. I gotta say this. Sweet retribution. Finally for the Filipino team as they able to.
Panalo si RJ Ortega via unanimous decision. Tanggal ang angas ng Iranian fighter. At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.